all, welcome to Skillset, an online platform which will help you develop your personality for the real world. So this is part number 2 of the video entitled Top 5 Skills. In today's video, we will be discussing the 3 main important and I would say most wanted skills of today's time. And those are none other but coding, content writing and UI UX designing. So without further ado, let's get started. Skill number 3, UI UX designer. The full form of UI is user interface and that of UX is user experience. A UI UX designer is a person who takes care of the interface of any app plus the user experience. To help you understand with an example, if we look at YouTube, the position at which different tabs are placed, different buttons are placed, the list menu, status bar, all these things are included in the interface of any app or website. So the work of a UI designer is to ensure that the interface is very simple and easy for the user. And it's also quite interesting because in this sort of profession you get the opportunity to show your creativity, because then the entire way you design an app is completely on you and you can make the differences or the changes according to the feedback that you get from the users. So UI and UX always comes together because they are, sort of related. UX is the user experience. So when you build an app, you take the feedback from the user, that how much did you like the app, are you enjoying it, what functions should be replaced, or what difficulty you have in operating the app. So all these feedback are taken into consideration and they are worked upon by a UX designer. So by doing so, the quality of the app improves. And thus UI and UX are very much interlinked because they both focuses on the user's experience. So this is the place where you can show up all your creativity and try hands-on designing the app or website according to the user's feedback. Now let's move to skill number 2, content writing. Content writing is the ability to put forth your idea in a very creative and interesting manner, and on and above it should be simple and easy to understand by your audience. So to be a content writer or to develop this skill, you should have a good command over writing any specific language. For example, if you want to be a content writer who writes blogs or any piece of article in English, then it's necessary that you have a decent English and you have command over that language, so that you can reach out to your audience and you must be able to convey your message in a very attractive yet simple manner. Now, like digital marketing, even content writing is a vast field. You can master any one of the content writing forms and apply accordingly. For example, you can be a blogger, a video content writer, a social media content writer, and if you master this field and if you become really good in any of these areas, then there are high chances that you might be hired by companies to write their content on their apps or websites, or maybe you might be given the work of handling the content writing part on their social media pages as well. Now we come to the last and the most important skill of today's time, and that is none other but coding. Now before you become anxious, and start getting all those pictures of long coding and programming language in your head, hear me out. People, it's not that difficult. Coding is a very important skill that all of us need to learn to survive in today's era. We all know that we are gradually moving into the fourth generation, and that would be an AI-driven generation. That means more than 60% of our work would be done by machines. So nowadays coders are in demand for new startups or even old businesses who want to shift online. So these coders help them make their websites or apps with the help of different languages like Python, Java, C++, etc. So in simple language, coding helps you to communicate to the machine and make it understand what you want it to do for you. And unlike other skills, this skill will be a future-proof skill because it is in demand even today and will be in demand even in the coming future. So basically, you can't escape from it. In order to keep yourself updated with technology and recent world, you need to learn coding, at least the basics. And trust me or not, because this field has tons of opportunities waiting for you ahead. So it will be better if you start learning from now, and it won't take more than a year to master in any particular language, or maybe even 6 months. And after knowing the basics of the coding, you can apply to various jobs or maybe various internships to gain experience, and slowly by doing small projects you will have a good command over coding. So these were the 5 top skills that you need to start learning, and these skills will certainly make a huge difference to your portfolios. I'll soon be bringing up detailed videos dedicated to each of the skills discussed in this video, and I hope that today's video was informative and helpful to you. So with this, we come to an end of this video. Until next time, stay tuned and keep learning. And yes, if you do like any of the things that I spoke in this video, please subscribe, share, like and comment on this video. Thank you so much.